Hello.
I'm here for your air conditioner?
Oh yeah, air. Stop.
You okay to come in?
Yeah, you can come in.
All right.
What's your name?
My name's Ernest.
No, Aries.
The AC guy. So what do you got going on, man?
Huh?
How many AC units do you
I
have?
think you just have one.
You
I'm not
think
the
you just
person
have
who
one?
called. My sister called. Was like, hey, got the AC I got in. You know?
How many thermostats do you have?
Huh?
How many thermostats do you have?
I think we just have one.
Okay, where's it at?
Right over here.
How are you doing?
Hey, how's it going? All right. This capacitor out. I was on my way home. You guys caught me on my way home.
Oh, sorry about that.
No, you're good. It's close by, so that's why I came.
I appreciate you coming out.
Okay. That's good. She said it was cutting in and out, huh?
Yeah. Almost like I had turned on the AC around like 10 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. I was like, is it getting hotter? Is the AC
Yeah.
working? But my wife said it does make noise now. and
Yeah. See that?
then. Yeah.
Fan motor's cooked. Yeah. Yeah, that's what's going on, man. Let me see what size that is. This motor's getting hot and it's shutting down. That's what's going on.
Oh, okay.
Overheating. Let me see. Can't see. It's quarter horse. 850 quarter. I think I have one on my truck. All right, make them up an estimate. I've got the motor on my truck. That'll work. See what they want to do. So this rescue motor has a weird cap, but I had it on my truck. It's a 5510. Lady opted to go with the repair. So this is the last call today. I don't have my card on my truck, which I wish I did. So we're gonna change out this motor. All right. You see this motor right here? It's not good. Should spin freely. So the motor's stopping when it gets hot and the compressor is squealing. Man, I'm lucky, bro. Let's see here. Yeah, easy day right there. No puller needed. This thing's old, man. Put the strain plug on there. Let the water drain out. All right. So you don't have to cut the shaft off. But, you know, it's okay to do it. I have to cut this shaft off, but there. A little shorter anyway, so it's not all hanging down there. There. Protect that from the sun. See if this fan is spinning the right way. Nope, wrong way. So probably gonna go to switch those around. That should blow off of there. Coil's clogged up. See that? Coil's all clogged and dirty. See how it's good over here? Bad over here. Best it's gonna get in this neighborhood. Look at this. Okay, so now all right, so you see the difference here?
Yeah, it's still spinning.
You like that?
That's good.
So that's how it should go instead of stopping like it did before, okay? I mean, this thing's dirty and just corroded up. There's nothing you can really do to clean it. The fins are all bent in. It's just old.
Yeah.
Okay, so you might get a year out of it. You might get 5 years out of it. You might get 10 minutes. I don't know. So, but I'm going to give your wife and you an estimate so you guys can have it. It's good for 90 days. And let me know what you guys want to do later on down the road. I'll honor it anyway. You guys are veterans, so I'll take care of you, okay?
I appreciate you too.
All right, man.
Text all set to go.
Okay.
Here you are, sir.
All right, man. You have a good night.
Thank you.
Hands are all dirty.
No worries. I ain't scared.
All right, man.
Take care, bud. Thank you so much.
All right, get some cool air in there, man. Get your sanity back. All right. Just like that, baby. On to the next one. Let you go in the garage. Okay. All right, ma'am. Have a good evening. I did. Thank you. All right. You have a nice evening. I'll send you the estimate over so you have it, okay?
For the new AC unit?
Yeah.
I love that.
Okay. No problem. Have a good evening. On to the next one, baby. Put this in tomorrow.